Tired of wasting your valuable time with repetitive clicks and keystrokes? In this video, we will be doing a comparison of two popular automation applications, TinyTask and AutoHotkey. So, let's begin. First, we have TinyTask. TinyTask automates repetitive activities into handy macros that require zero coding skills. You simply press the record button, perform the desired activity such as clicks and text entries, press the stop button, and then run the recorded activity back right away. This automation app is absolutely free of charge, incredibly lightweighted, which is less than 40 KB, and portable as an executable file to run from any Windows PC. TinyTask impresses with ease of use and speed. It can capture mouse events and keyboard strokes, create macros as standalone exe files, and loop infinitely without having any programming skills. Available for Windows only, with no commercial editions available yet. On the other hand, we have AutoHotkey. AutoHotkey is a script-oriented language designed to provide high-level automation capabilities for Windows. Script writing gives you the ability to make your custom hotkeys, automate complex tasks, implement custom GUI, expand your text, use loops, conditions, and many other functions such as file manipulations, window manipulations, and HTTP requests. AutoHotkey is an open source, completely free, extremely flexible, and oriented towards its improved version 2, which is not backwards compatible with the old version 1 anymore. AutoHotkey provides high-level capabilities for real scripting with custom GUI, deep hooks into Windows API functions, conditional statements, modifications of the system registry, and many other features to work with several applications at once. AutoHotkey is native to Windows, capable of automating any application and website working in Windows, and has a huge supportive community offering tons of ready scripts. So, which is the better option? TinyTask excels at being beginner friendly, fast for automation without any code, extremely small, quick to record and replay macros, yet it falls short of advanced options such as conditional branching, extensive variable support, or third party software integration. On the other hand, AutoHotkey is more powerful, customizable, scriptable, and provides comprehensive software integration and an active community that helps build more complex automation scenarios. For fast and no code automation on the go, consider TinyTask. If what you want is a full blown pro tool that allows scripting and maximum control, then AutoHotkey is a choice for you. Give both of them a shot and choose the one you like better.